Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you everything about the eye protector. The eye protector is a script for you to keep your eye healthy. It's for those people who spend long hours in front of the screen. If you use Windows, then you will find many of the scripts that is mainly for this eye protection. And if you use Linux, then unfortunately you may feel a bit alone in case of software compatibility. So there are not many eye protector out there. So I made a very simple and beginner friendly script that will simply, it has installation file, it will simply install it in your system, and it has many features like reminds you to take break and relax your eyes, easy installation. Uninstallation doesn't keep any useless files after uninstall. It will simply delete all the things that it installed in your system when you uninstall it. System-wide notification to encourage your eye care. It has notification system, and even terminal starts talking to you. So in this video I'm going to show you everything from installation to use. So in the readme.md file you can see the installation thing. So download the repository to your local machine. You need to download the thing. You can come to this thing, this URL, and then you can simply come here and download the zip. As you can see, it started downloading the thing and it's already downloaded. So then you need to go to the downloaded file. Then here you can see all the tutorials in text, but I don't need that. Then you can go to your downloads folder. It should be in the downloads folder, and then you need to extract this file because GitHub gives you the thing in zip folder. I can't do anything for this. Now in this eye protector main, go inside. Now you need to open your terminal right here. Open terminal. Now you need to give permission to this installation file like this, csmod. You need to type exact this command, csmod plus x. Now dot slash, then install.sh. You need to type exactly this command after opening your terminal in this directory, home/download/eye protector main. And it can be different if you have this folder in a different directory. Then hit enter. It will give a running permission, execute permission to this file, since Linux has very strict security issues. Now you can simply, to install it, you can simply run the installation script dot and slash, then install.sh. If you run this command, you'll simply get the script. You'll get the script downloaded. Hit enter. Then you will see this ASCII art made by developer the scene. Root is required to install necessary packages. So to install all the necessary packages and the dependency files, you actually need the password here. I am providing the password right there. Then you need to hit enter, and it will start to fetch the required packages. And as you can see, my system is already up to date, and the required packages are already the newest version in my system, and it cannot be in your system, so it will be installed automatically. You don't need to do anything. And after setting up the assets, done, you can run the script with this command. Take care of your PC size. So from anywhere in the directories, in the universe, from anywhere you can run this command. This thing, I forgot what this is called, then a slash, then a dot, and eye-protector.sh. Now if you run this command from anywhere in the universe, you don't need actually root, you also don't need Wi-Fi. I'm turning off the Wi-Fi. You see, I turned off the Wi-Fi. It will simply run in my local machine. I'm running this.
Take care of them well.
See, the terminal starts talking. It's expensive gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Take care of them well. The voice can be a bit funny, but that's because it's a very little script running in your local machine without internet or anything. And do you want to start? Now you can simply give a Y and enter. Now do your works while keeping this terminal open. You can minimize, by the way. Now you can simply keep doing your works, and you just need to keep this terminal open. You can simply minimize this like that. Okay, it's minimized, but it is just there. It is just running right there, but it's minimized. Now let me show you how it actually works. I can simply
So expensive gift from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Take care of them well.
Now I can start the script. You can work but you can minimize this terminal. Now if you wait 20 minutes, you will see a notification to pop up.
Hey bro, look at the terminal.
See, a notification popped up in a warning sign, and it starts talking to you. Now
look at the terminal.
now if you simply keep going with your works and
look at the terminal.
You don't look at the terminal, then it will keep telling you this in every minute.
Look at the terminal.
And here if you give Y and do a enter, then it will start.
Perfect. Now you can start again and work on screen for a long time without harming your eyes.
Your terminal starts talking to you. If you don't respond to this notification, it will keep giving you notifications and keep telling you to look at the terminal every minute. I reduced these times to show you how it works, how it is responsible, but for you it will simply send you notification every minute, and then it will tell you to look at something 20 feet away for at least 20 seconds. And if you keep looking at something 20 feet away for 20 seconds, after 20 seconds it will again tell you that 20 seconds are done, and now you can start again working on screen for a long time without harming your eyes. And this is based on the 20 by 20 by 20 rule, which is a medical rule to keep your eyes healthy when spending much time on screen. In this rule, you can work 20 minutes on screen, then for 20 seconds you need to look at something that is at least 20 feet away, and keep looking at that. After the 20 seconds you can again start working on the screen without harming your eyes. And now I can simply give an N and exit. Have a great day. I can simply now exit. I hope you understand how it works and how to install and to uninstall the script. I don't know why you need to uninstall. It doesn't take much space even. You can simply uninstall the thing in the same directory. If you open the opening terminal, you can simply run the uninstall script. Before, you need to give it also permission with chmod plus x and uninstall.sh. You give it a permission, then you can simply run this with this the same as install, but it is uninstall.sh. And then you can simply hit enter and it's installed. As it's removed, installation complete. Have a great day. It doesn't even need root passwords to install the thing. Now you can simply exit, and as you can see, it is same as before. When it was installed, it looked like this. Now you can again install it from here, same as before. But if you need it to be totally gone from your system, you can simply delete this and also these two folders, then it will be totally gone from your system. I don't know why you need to make this gone from your system, but yeah, this is how it works. Have a great day. Take care of your eyes. Bye bye.